Super weather.
Good morning, everyone. A lot of sunshine to go around for us here on this Saturday. Temperatures today going to be feeling pretty good as we are moving towards the midday. Numbers coming up into the mid-70s. Into the afternoon, we'll see our high temperatures today close out into the mid-80s. So we are running about 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. Our typical high temperature should be up close to 75. And yeah, again, we're in the mid-80s here today. Winds are out of the south. They'll be sustained between 10 and 20 miles per hour, but occasionally getting some higher gusts. But it's bright sunshine as far as the eye can see today. We're into the mid-80s across the Metroplex, upper 70s to right around 80 degrees for areas to our north and east, and areas to the west looking at high temperatures close to 90 degrees there. Futurecast is nice and quiet as we are just looking at sunshine across the area today, and as we push into tonight, that will translate to mostly clear skies. If you're going to be heading to the FC Dallas game as they take on the Seattle Sounders, the game gets underway at 7:30. Temperatures at that point still in the low 80s, but we will be easing back into the upper 70s as the evening persists, again with clear conditions overhead. Temperatures in through the overnight tonight, they'll fall back into the low 60s. And as we move towards the day tomorrow, it gets a little hotter. South winds still going to be pretty strong. Tomorrow we could have gusts closer to 30 and 35 miles per hour with our high temperature of 91 here in the DFW area. Some spots out towards the west tomorrow close to 100 degrees. So it's going to be a bit hot as we are closing out the weekend tomorrow. The winds still out of the south, but they'll be a bit stronger as we move through the day tomorrow with occasional gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. As we look further down the pipeline, the ridge of high pressure that's overhead now, it's going to be shifting as we move towards the end of next week, and we're going to be looking at some unsettled weather to move back into our area as we get into the end part of next week and heading into next weekend. So, of course, if you've got any outdoor plans in place already for Easter weekend, you might want to be thinking ahead to the potential for some showers and thunderstorms because that's what we've got in our forecast. In the meantime, it's all about the sunshine here across the region. 84 for the high today. We're at 91 tomorrow. The record tomorrow is 93, so we're within striking distance of that. We do have a cold front moving in on Monday. It doesn't bring us in any rain, but it will bring our temperatures back to a little bit closer to where we typically see highs for this time of year, upper 70s by Tuesday.
Sign up for super weather.